Sometimes the most powerful weapon is the one nobody can see. And right now, beneath the dark waters of the Strait of Hormuz, something silent may already be waiting. Imagine one of the most important sea routes on Earth. A narrow stretch of water where enormous oil tankers pass every single day, carrying the fuel that powers cities, industries, and entire economies. This place is known as the Strait of Hormuz, a thin blue corridor between Iran and the Arabian Peninsula. For decades, the world has understood one simple truth. If anything serious happens here, the whole world feels it. Now imagine this route suddenly becoming uncertain. Ships slowing down, captains hesitating, and the world watching closely, because tensions have been rising in and around the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has long considered these waters vital to its national security. At the same time, global powers insist that international shipping must continue freely through this narrow passage. And when those two positions collide, the ocean becomes a stage for one of the most delicate standoffs in modern geopolitics. But recently, something new entered the conversation, something hidden beneath the surface. According to analysts and defense observers, Iran has been developing advanced underwater defensive systems, devices designed to remain hidden in the depths of the sea, waiting, silent, almost invisible.
Some reports describe underwater drones or floating strike systems, small machines powered by lithium batteries, capable of remaining underwater for days, quietly drifting with ocean currents, and if necessary, carrying explosive payloads. These devices are believed to combine electric power with small propulsion systems. That means they could stay active beneath the surface for extended periods of time, not attacking immediately, but waiting, watching.
From a strategic perspective, systems like these are meant to create uncertainty, not necessarily to start a battle, but to make every ship think twice before entering dangerous waters. Because in naval strategy, sometimes the most powerful weapon is not the one that fires first, it is the one nobody can see. And that is why the Strait of Hormuz has always been so sensitive. Nearly a fifth of the world's oil shipments travel through this narrow corridor. Every tanker passing through carries energy that fuels economies across Asia, Europe, and beyond. If shipping slows down here, the ripple effects spread across the entire world. Energy prices react, markets become nervous, and governments begin urgent discussions behind closed doors. But history has also shown something important. Moments of tension in strategic waterways do not always lead to war. Sometimes they lead to negotiations. Sometimes they push rival powers back to the diplomatic table. Because the cost of conflict in such a critical location is simply too high. Too many economies depend on stability. Too many people depend on the energy that flows through these waters every day. And so the story of the Strait of Hormuz continues, a place where geography, technology, and global politics intersect.
Where silent machines beneath the sea can influence decisions made thousands of miles away, and where the world is constantly reminded how fragile the balance of peace can be. For now, the waters remain open. Ships still pass through. Trade still moves. But the tension beneath the surface remains a powerful reminder that sometimes the quietest weapons create the loudest questions about the future. Explosions echo across history, battles that shook nations, and wars that changed the world forever. From the trenches of World War I to the storming beaches of World War II, every blast, every strike tells a story. And now, you can witness it all, unfiltered, in one place. Subscribe to The War Unfiltered and hit the bell icon to join us on the front lines of history.